As part of this session, we'll talk about pool partition and signal uh, or intermediate event. So this is the pool that you can define. So pool basically used for segregating the process and the same BPMN file. So you can define your pool. So if you click on it and you want to add more pool, that's you can do here. So this is basically a labeling and uh, adding some description. So which level of process will we get? Which level of process will we get execute and who will take the actions part of this process? So that's you can define and add some set of description in using the pool. The next we have a signal. So here we will talk about three type of signal. One is start signal, throw signal, and boundary signal. And we have a intermediate event. If you see a circle like this, this is for intermediate uh, event. So if you see something like a double circle, then this will be, and this is intermediate event. It always appear mid of the process. So we'll use in the mid of the process only the intermediate event. So in this process, would we taking and the we segregated two process, one process, and here we starting the process, preparing data, creating the user, and this is denoting a boundary to expecting some signal to process the remaining remaining the remaining task. And this is another uh, we have process. This is the start signal will get trigger when you give the name of the signal. This is the signal name. This way you can define. And then next we have a throw signal. Throw signal will throw the signal, and whoever have the same name, the signal name, that will be get executed the boundary signal. So the boundary signal and throw signal is behave like similar like publisher and subscriber. This is the publisher and this is the subscriber. This when this throw, the if we have in the both have the same name, this will get subscriber and execute the remaining process. So we'll see the example. So now, oh, uh, Camunda given the raised endpoint so that you can initiate the process and execute. So this is Camunda raised endpoint, the process definition key and user task. So user task is basically process ID that's we gave here, user task. So same process ID will use. This will be the unique entire of deployed Camunda uh, environment. Uh, so now coming back to Postman, and this is the request body. Uh, Camunda REST API is spec for initiate the process variable, and very inside variable you can take your on any variable. This will expect two things. One key is the data type and another is the value. So here I took two variable, one is username and ID. So now I'm starting the process. When I start this process, then this you can see I started this process to prepare data as which is service task. That's first get this one is get trigger. Then after that user task is created, you can see, and we pass to variable their ID and username. And this we have took in we have take inside the prepare data my task. So this is something null we have now. So now next we have another endpoint that is given by Camunda, that is engine rest slash signal. This is used for calling the signal. The signal body we have Camunda expecting the name and the variable. The name basically in giving the signal name that we have took here, publish com signal. So same will give here. So this will start the signal, and again we have a variable, two variable I took here. One is ID and another is communication signal. What will happen when hit this process? This will start the process. Then again next we have a service task. This will get triggered. Then next we have a pro signal. This will pro the signal, and when it pro, then this process will be get executed, and will get trigger user task, intermediate signal, and then remaining process is completed, and also after throwing this process will get completed. Next we have a complete event. So now I am hitting process signal. So I hit it. So you can see here now user task we have. So this is get triggered. Now I am reloading this page, so you can see user task gone. This throw the signal, this accept the signal and execute the remaining task. So yeah, this is all about pull and start signal, throw signal, or intermediate and uh, intermediate event. So that's it. Thank you.